In this short video, I'll walk you through how to schedule your workflow to run automatically, step by step. On the workflow dashboard, start by clicking the three-dot menu, then click Schedule Launch. First, make sure your workflow has any required input values or default set. These will be used each time the workflow runs on the schedule with no need to re-enter them. To set your schedule, click the Configuration tab. Choose how often you want it to run, daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. For example, you might run a workflow every weekday at 9 a.m. Or you might want it to run every 10 to 15 minutes. Click Save Changes to set your schedule. Once you have created a schedule, you can see it on the workflow dashboard at the bottom of the workflow card. From here, you can disable and re-enable your schedule at any time. That's it. Scheduling helps your workflows run exactly when you need them, hands off and on time.